Hello students, how are you doing tonight? So what I want to do is just take a moment to share with you how to share your screen on Zoom. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is before you share any screen, you want to share the screen that you want to share with your classmates. For example, let's say we are doing an exercise like the one we did on Thursday, and you want to download whatever document that I sent to you. Let me show you right now. So let me go to, this is the email that I sent you on Thursday, and notice we have an attached document. Attached just means that I'm sending you a document to your email. You have two ways to show this document. You can click on it and it will pop up like this. If you want to leave it like this, you can, or if you prefer, you can download it, and you will press this button that says download, and it will download the document. Okay, please wait a few seconds and then you will see it look like this. Click on it and you will see Microsoft Word that will pop up as such. Okay, now once you have this up, what you're going to do next is you are in Zoom, okay, and you're going to click this button here that says share screen. Click on share screen. You don't have to do anything. It's already set up for you. Click share. Notice at the very top you have this green box. This means that you are now sharing your screen. So everyone in your break room group is now going to see what you're looking at right now. So for example, if I move my cursor, this is called a cursor, okay? If I decide that I want to type something, everyone in the group will see what you are doing. So if we are doing a group activity, this is one way to share your screen. Now, when you are finished, you go at the top and say, click on, stop share. And now you are back into your classroom. Okay, let me show you another example. Let's say this time we are doing an activity in class, and I want to have you all work together on an assignment in Burlington English. So before you share your screen, you're going to first have to go to your Burlington English. Example, and let's say teacher Dara asks you to go to exercise 4, and I say to you, okay, please listen to the story or the article and answer the questions. Okay, so let's say you are in a break room, all right, with your classmates, and you want to share your screen. You only need one person to share their screen. You don't have to have everyone do the same thing. Okay, so here's your screen. You're back on Zoom, okay? You click share screen. You are here, okay? For example, let's say if I want to play the listening exercise. This is very, very important. Teacher Dara has made this mistake also. You want to go at the very top, and notice you see these buttons here. Here's your chat. This shows you the amount of people that's in the room. You want to go to these 3 dots that says more, click down, and say share sound. This means that everyone in your group will be able to listen to the audio. For example,
I'm Mark Todd, and you're listening to College and Career.
After you are finished, you click stop share, and now you're back into the room. If you want to see all of your classmates, you go to the top right corner where it says view, click on gallery. This means everyone will see each other, okay? If you press where it says speaker, this just means that if I'm talking, you will see me talking, and you will see all your classmates' happy faces at the top. But it's better for you as the student to have it in gallery so everyone can see each other. Also, as a reminder, make sure that when you are talking or if you're doing something outside of class to click on your mute button so no one can hear what you're talking about. And of course, start your video or stop it if you don't want to be seen. Thank you so much, everyone. Hope this helps you, and always try your best.